Hello everyone, welcome to class series, and in this video we're gonna be learning the short summary of the poem On Children. This poem is extracted from the poet Khalil Gibran work, which is The Prophet, which is the best known work of him. Here a woman requested the prophet to tell him about the children. The prophet tells them that every parent should not regard their children as their own because they are born because of our desires and passions which we try to see in our children. Children really are not born to us but born by us. Even if they live with us, they are not ours because they have their own desires, passions, likings, love, hobbies, etc. Even if you love your child with your whole heart, you will never be able to express your real thoughts about them, what you expect from them, what you want them to become, how should they treat you and respect you or love you. Because just like their parents, even children have their own thoughts, love, desires, passions, likes and dislikes. They dream about their future of life. The prophet tells them that they can own and nurture children only physically, but they can't own their children's thoughts and dreams. The prophet advises the parents to be their children and not train their children to lead a life like their own, because children are the future citizens of this world and their intelligence will help build a better future. Just as arrows can be shot from a bow, parents are like bows and children are like arrows, and they can be launched for a better future. The prophet compares the Almighty to an archer who sees very distant goals and prompts them to shoot arrows at the goal in a swift and correct direction. The prophet advises the parents to bow before this great archer, which is the Almighty, with gratefulness and humility, because the Almighty blesses and loves the children as their parents equally.